This is Electrostatics Part 2. Here, our objective is to know about the methods of producing static electricity. Again, I am SL Singh to explain the topic. Here the question comes, what are the different methods to produce static electricity? Actually, there are three methods to produce static electricity. The first is by friction, the second is by induction, and the third one is by contact. Let us study the first method to produce static electricity by friction. Actually, when we rub two objects with one another, heat is produced between the surfaces of the bodies. This generated heat is used by the electrons to leave the surface of the one body. Thus, in this way, electrons are transferred from one body to another due to the production of heat by friction. Thus, two objects get charged opposite to each other. Let us consider some examples when one body is rubbed with another body. The first example is a glass rod. When this glass rod is rubbed with silk cloth loses electrons and glass rod get them. In this way, glass rod becomes negatively charged and silk cloth becomes positively charged. Some another examples are fur or woolen cloth rubbed with ebonite rod and amber, woolen coat rubbed with plastic sheet, woolen carpet rubbed with rubber shoes, nylon or acetate rubbed with cloth, dry hair with plastic comb. Here we see that the first group has got electrons and the second group has lost electrons to become positively charged. The next method is by induction or by polarization. To understand the production of static electricity by induction or by polarization, let us consider this is a metallic sphere mounted on some insulating support. Okay, suppose we have this charged body, right? When we bring this charged body towards this metallic sphere, we will see that the charge of this neutral metallic sphere metallic sphere will get separated. See, again see, when this goes back, it again becomes neutral. When this comes, this charged rod when this charged rod come to close to this metallic sphere, the separation of charges takes place in the metallic sphere. Right? So this is the process of induction. Consider we want to make this metallic sphere charged permanently. So for this, what do? We connect we connect this part of the sphere by a metallic wire to the ground, and the negative charge present in this side goes down to the earth, and the sphere is left with positive charge. Now, keeping this charged rod near this metallic sphere, we remove this ground connecting wire, and Now remove this charged rod. We see that this positive charge uniformly get distributed over the whole sphere. See, like this. So this we studied the production of static electricity on a body by induction or by polarization. The next method is by contact. Consider a neutral body. This is a neutral body. Which have same amount of charge of positive and negative. Another, consider this is a charged, negatively charged rod. Charged rod. Right? When this charged rod is moved towards this neutral body, we see that due to induction process, the charge on this neutral body is separated. See, there we see that separation of the charges. Since this rod is negatively charged, so the negative charge of this body is repelled to the right side while the positive charge is attracted towards the rod. When this rod is further moved to connect to the body, this positive charge is absorbed by the rod and only negative charge is left on the body. See. Now, when this rod is moved away from the body, this negative charge is uniformly distributed on the body. See, so this is how we could make charge on neutral body by the process of contact. If you like the video, then mark a like, share, subscribe and post a comment. Thank you for watching.